Joe here with the Rideshare Guy, and today I'm going to show you how you can find your annual tip total with Lyft in the Driver app. Alright, so I was recently filing my taxes and I was looking for those tip totals in both the annual summaries on Uber and Lyft. And in the Uber annual summary on page 2, there's this table 3 gross trip earnings section. And in that section, they give you a tip total for the year. So then I figured Lyft would have something similar. But when I looked at my annual summary on Lyft, there was no tip information. It just shows me my gross payments from riders and my non-ride earnings total. And I have no idea why Lyft doesn't include this tip total in their annual summary, so I needed to find a way to get that tip total. And I honestly thought that I was going to have to go through week by week and add up every single week. But I figured I would do a Google search to just figure out how we can find that tip total. And I found this Reddit post where a commenter said you can find your tip total for 2025 in one of the bubble items in the app's pay screen's year tab. And I was still kind of confused. I didn't know exactly what they were trying to explain about these bubble items, so I went into the Lyft Driver app and tried to figure it out. So here's the home screen, and what you do is select that earnings option in the top middle there. By default, it brings you to the weekly view. Next, you'll select year on the top right there. And you'll be shown 2026 first, but to look at 2025, you'll select this option. And when I got here, I was still confused as to what they were talking about in terms of the bubble options, but the bubble options are right in the middle of the screen there. All you do is slide those to the left. And there you will see a tip stats bubble. If you select that, there's your tip total for 2025. You can also see the previous year's tips, you can see your average tip amount, and also your tip frequency. And I felt like I knew the Lyft Driver app pretty well. I'm not sure how long this has existed in the Lyft Driver app, but I just figured it out this year. And also I found another pretty cool way to utilize this tip bubble. Typically when I'm tipped, I'll see that message that I've been tipped by a rider. I want to thank the rider for that tip, and usually I'll select that message and thank each individual rider for their tip. But at the end of each day, or say at the end of the week, if you want to just thank all riders at once, there's a way to do it from the tip bubble. Again, we'll select that top middle earnings option. It defaults to the weekly view. If we select the day option on the top left there, then again we have to slide those bubbles to the left. If we select the tip stats bubble again, here's where you can see all of your tips for a particular day. And I've already thanked all these riders for their tips, but say you haven't thanked them and want to thank them all, you can just select that thank passengers option on the bottom there. And in addition to the year and day view, there's also the week and month view. If we select week, again, slide those bubbles over to the left. And just like the yearly view, I can see my tip total for the week, my average tip amount, and the tip frequency. And same goes for the monthly view if we select that. Again, tip totals for the month, the average tip amount for the month, and the tip frequency for the month. So that tip bubble is there, it's completely hidden. I wish it was in view on each of those views right away, but by utilizing that, you can more easily analyze your tips, find your annual total, your daily total, your weekly total, your monthly total, and you can also batch thank multiple riders for their tips. But what about all of you? Did you know of this tip bubble, and had you been utilizing it, or did you just find out about it like I did? And again, I have no idea why Lyft doesn't include the tip total in their annual summary like Uber does, but luckily there is a way to find it within the Lyft Driver app. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on why my acceptance rate is still so low here in Minnesota under our guaranteed rate structure, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.